Hello friends, welcome to MechSearch. Now we are going to see the job notification which was released by Hindustan Shipyard Limited. They are looking for the candidates to the various posts of designer grade 4 mechanical, designer grade 4 electrical, junior supervisor grade 3 mechanical, junior supervisor grade 3 electrical, junior supervisor grade 3 civil, office assistant, junior fire inspector grade 4, driver grade 5. For designer grade 4 mechanical having 10 posts, 10 vacancies, designer grade 4 electrical having 3 vacancies, junior supervisor grade 3 mechanical having 7 vacancies, junior supervisor grade 3 electrical having 9 vacancies, junior supervisor grade 3 civil, office assistant, junior fire inspector grade 4, driver grade 5 having 7, 9, 4, 2 vacancies respectively. Important date, the last date is extended up to June last week, so you can apply now. For designer grade 4 mechanical, basic pay is 7,650 rupees. Total monthly emolument will be 24,000. Maximum age limit is 28 years. These are the minimum qualification details. Certificate course in AutoCAD, Tribond, CATIA and Aviva Marine. Full-time diploma in mechanical and industrial engineering, mechanical and production engineering, marine engineering with 60% of mark. Minimum qualification is at least 1 year post-qualification experience in ship construction, ship repairs, manufacturing or design. Should be proficient in CAD/CAM software such as AutoCAD, Tribond, CATIA and Aviva Marine. Designer grade 4 electrical, salary is same, maximum age limit also same. The available vacancies are 3, we already seen. Minimum qualification is diploma in electrical and electronics, electrical and instrumentation with 60% of mark. The experience details is same as mechanical. Then junior supervisor grade 3 mechanical, total emolument will be same as 24,000. Educational qualification and the experience are also same, but experience are 4 years in project management, construction, operations, maintenance and manufacturing industry is required. Junior supervisor grade 3 electrical, 4 years in shipping, building and ship repairs experience is required. Basic pay is 7,650 rupees. You can download this notification and read it clearly for all the vacancy details, posts and age limit. Here I read it, explain the important only. Office assistant secretarial grade 5, basic pay is 7,350 rupees. Total emolument will be 23,000. Maximum age is 25 years and qualification is full-time graduate. Any degree is applicable. Typewriting, higher grade in English typewriting and diploma certificate in MS Office. Experience details is 2 years in government or public sector or state public sector or large organization of repute. is required. Junior Fire Inspector, grade 4, total emolument will be rupees 23,000. Maximum age limit is 30 years. Then see how to apply this job. The application should be submitted on online to the official website of Hindustan Shipyard Limited, www.hslvizag.in. You have to pay the application fees through DD, demand draft payment mode only. Serve the experience detail annexure. Please also state briefly as how your experience is relevant to the post applied work. You have to submit this form also while applying. That's it. I explained all the important things about this notification. For detailed, you have to download and read it clearly.